How to make your Amazon brand a more luxurious brand. In this video, I'll be covering the several marketing strategies that luxury brands do to encourage customers to pay a premium for their products, even when similar items are available at lower prices. Before we get into it, real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith with Evolve Media, and we create content for Amazon listings that boost conversion rates and organic rankings. You can get a free Amazon listing audit by going to emaamz.com. Now, let's jump into the video. Celebrity endorsements. Many luxury brands pay celebrities to create content with and endorse their products. The celebs then post this content on their social medias, and the content can and will be boosted as an ad. Now, if you don't have a huge budget for this, you can hire smaller influencers to promote your product and even cut them in on the ownership into the company. In fact, did you know that Nike gave Michael Jordan a 5% ownership in the Jordan brand when they first started working together? This was the first time that athlete sponsorships shared a piece of the profit pie with the athlete. One way you could get multiple big-time influencers to endorse your product is by throwing an exclusive event for larger influencers only, and at this event, you could record those high-end individuals using your product. It's just an idea. I know it's expensive to throw an event and people may not even show up, but it's just an idea. Starting a luxury brand isn't cheap, so you're gonna need some serious funds to pull it off. Perceived quality and craftsmanship. Emphasizing high quality materials and exceptional craftsmanship is essential for luxury brands. They often highlight the high-end methods and materials used in production. This reinforces the idea that their products are superior to the others in the marketplace. This allows them to justify the higher price tag a little bit better. Exclusivity and scarcity. By limiting the availability of their products, luxury brands create a sense of exclusivity. Limited editions or small production runs make products more desirable, as consumers often equate rarity with value. This scarcity enhances the allure of the brand and encourages consumers to invest in unique items. While this doesn't allow you to run discounts on your products, you can emphasize that you only have a certain amount of units in stock, and once they're gone, they're gone. Prestige and status. Owning luxury products is often associated with social status. Consumers may be willing to pay more for items that signal wealth, success, or sophistication to others. Luxury brands capitalize on this by marketing their products as symbols of prestige. Going back to the celeb example, luxe brands will pay people with this status to wear or claim that they use their products. Brand heritage and storytelling. Luxury brands often have a rich history and heritage that they communicate through their compelling storytelling. This narrative creates an emotional connection with consumers, making them feel part of the exclusive legacy. By sharing their origins and craftsmanship, luxury brands enhance the perceived value of their products. Exceptional customer experience. Luxury brands invest significantly in providing an outstanding, the best customer experience. From personalized service to elegant packaging, this level of attention enhances the overall value perceived by customers, making them feel special and warm and fuzzy. Now, I know it seems foolish to spend a lot of money on the packaging of your product knowing that it'll just be thrown away, but you have to understand that when you're trying to be a luxury brand, you're selling an experience and not just a product. Emotional appeal. Luxury brands tap into the emotional aspects of consumer behavior. It's not all about the product, but a lifestyle, status, or way of life that people aspire to live. Loyalty and community. Many luxury brands cultivate a sense of community among their customers. Think about the Supreme brand. That's definitely got a community around it. Luxury brands tend to create this cool kids club, and when someone in the club sees someone else in the club, then there's an immediate connection between them. Some adults are willing to pay big bucks to be in the cool kids club. All right, so there you have it, a few tips and strategies for creating a luxury brand. It's not gonna be cheap, but the margins will be fat, so you gotta decide if it's worth it or not. Again, if you want a free Amazon listing audit, a free Amazon listing checklist, and a few other goodies for helping you scale on Amazon, then head over to emaamz.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and book that Zoom call. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.